Hello friends, giving interpretation to the available facts in a manner favorable to one's client and convincing the court thereof is one of the topmost skills in advocacy. Let me illustrate this point with one example. Now you see a figure, it is facts. You may closely watch it. Alright. Now one advocate may argue that it is sunset. It is as plain as the nose on the face. The half portion of the setting sun is visible even in red color. These are the waves in the ocean. That pattern of wave is also symbolically appearing. So this is nothing but sunset. The opposite party's advocate may counter argue that no, that's totally wrong presentation of facts. It is nothing but a plain hat. This is the rim of the hat and this is the top portion of the hat. The court may recollect the shapes of Victorian period's hats or even that of Charlie Chaplin. This is the hat. One more advocate may argue that this is neither hat nor sunset. It is ice cream. It is the semi-sphere or semi-globe of the ice cream appearing, maybe some red colored ice cream, maybe strawberry. This is nothing but half portion of the ice cream. Then once again, yet another counsel may argue that it is not sunset. The principles of Rayleigh's scattering is not appearing in it. There is no birds, no sun rays at all. And this is not ice cream. Where is the cone? Where is the texture? It is not ice cream. And he may also argue that it is absolutely wrong to interpret it as a hat because the edges are not clear. A hat must be complete. It cannot be assumed or presumed as a hat. It won't fit into the head of anyone. And one more advocate may argue that this is not hat, not sunset, and not ice cream. This is in fact a signal light in a street. This has to be actually viewed like this. So this is the pole and this is the signal light in red color. This is the true angle with which these facts are to be considered and perused. One more advocate may say that no, it is not signal light, not hat, not ice cream, it is a dome. The court may recollect that there is a poem in Xanadu, Kubla Khan did or constructed a dome of pleasure. This is that Indo-Arabic style dome. Yet another lawyer may argue that none of those arguments are correct. It is in fact the screen in a stage or on a mega show. This has to be viewed like this. This is how that screen is hanging. It is the screen on a stage. So friends, the point which I would like to drive home is that the facts are often plain and simple. It gets the color, it gets the texture, and the facts will have the meaning according to the interpretation given by the lawyer. The lawyer is not telling a lie or falsity. He is rather presenting the facts in a manner which is more favorable, conducive, and helpful to the case projected by his client. And that will make all the difference. Thank you.